Okay, so we're going to try smoke test number 2. Turn the power back on. It initializes the controller. You can see that. And with my joystick, I'm going to go over and I'm going to check the limits are on. Okay, manual mode's on. Orientation. Z. Everything looks like it should be okay. Let's see if we can get a X-axis movement here. Okay. It's just faulting. I don't know why. I've got to check my wiring. Let's lower the speed rate on my settings. And this is why I bought this a little bit more expensive controller, so that I could adjust these things manually. So, probably pretty hard to see, but I'm going to lower this number down to like 150 pulses. And we'll go down to 100 just to. And your acceleration seconds, we're going to go down to 20. Let's see if it's the motor's just stalling at that speed or if it's a bigger problem. Okay, go back to the, yeah, something's happened. That should be running at that speed, so we'll have to diagnose the problem at this point. So we'll see you later.